Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. It's been a long time, folks, and I'm super busy right now with my auction, but I do want to share my first impressions of this bad boy, the Infinix GT20 Pro. What a phone, guys, and shout out to Infinix for sending this one out for my full review and for my full impressions. Now, I haven't really reviewed or played around with a gaming phone in quite a while, but I gotta say, this one is definitely punching above its weight. Could this be the new budget champ in the gaming phone world? And launching today in India and in a lot of markets, this thing really is very impressive for what it offers. But in this first video, I really just wanted to share my unboxing, what I've received from Infinix, and then a little bit of my PUBG gaming experience with this phone. So take it away, Frankie Tech. Let's have a look. Who would have known? After so many years, we are back in PUBG. Just keep swimming. It's been a long time, but I'm testing out a new bad boy here. The Infinix GT Pro. And definitely, this is some sort of a gaming beast. Look at this thing. We are getting shot up here. You're dead. Booyah! It's been a long time, guys. Hope you're doing all right, guys. I've been super busy at work, but I will be back soon with my full impressions of this Infinix GT20 Pro. Oh yeah. I forgot how to play, guys. It's been too long. It's been too damn long. I definitely suck now. Oh, there we go. Nice work, guys. So overall, first impressions of this device, what a beast of a device, guys. And I gotta say, I love the form factor, the flat display. The Dimensity 8200 has been excellent. And the Antutu scores almost 1 million for this type of pricing. I think it's really impressive. But I really do think the best part about this phone is that just awesome mecha loop lighting. When you put it on party mode, it is definitely a party to be seen. It's a pretty awesome phone, guys. Stay tuned, of course, for additional videos for this phone. I will be doing, if I do have time, a gaming test on this one as well. But first impressions, I gotta say, the camera's 108 megapixel main camera here. Solid results overall. I'll be sharing those on Twitter soon. But this is truly a gaming phone, and a budget gaming phone, no less. I think they've knocked it out of the park here with this Infinix GT20 Pro. But hit me up in the comments, guys. What are your thoughts on this phone? Are you a fan of it? And what would you say is the competitor to this Infinix GT Pro? I know a lot of you guys in Poco world, all the Xiaomi fans out there, you want to see me review those phones in the future. Stay tuned, guys. Hopefully I will be, and we'll be reviewing some more awesome phones here on Frankie Tech very soon. But that's it for this one. Hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And that's it. And if you like this video, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon for future updates. And just a quick shout out to you guys. It's been a long time, I know. But wow, I've been super duper busy with my auction. And just with work, been working weekends, 2 weekends in a row now. It's been crazy. But I will be back with some more great tech content Consider this the beginning of a new round of great tech content here on the channel. Stay tuned, guys, and this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. Infinix GT20 Pro, a solid gaming beast at a budget price. Oh yeah.